Welcome to one of India's most iconic green spaces, Lal Bagh Botanical Garden. Located in the heart of Bengaluru, Karnataka, spread across 240 acres. Lal Bagh is more than just a park, it's a living museum of tropical and subtropical plants. A historic landmark and a cherished cultural space for generations of Bengalorans and visitors alike. The name Lal Bagh translates to Red Garden, and its origins date back to the 18th century. It was originally commissioned by Hyder Ali, the ruler of Mysore, in 1760. Later, his son Tipu Sultan expanded the garden and introduced rare plant species from far-off countries like Persia, Afghanistan, and France. Over time, Lai Bagh evolved into a botanical garden under British influence, and today it is managed by the Horticulture Department of Karnataka. What makes Lal Bagh truly exceptional is its diverse plant collection with over 1,800 species of trees, shrubs, and herbs, including rare specimens like the silk cotton tree, bottle palm, and the Queensland coripine. The ficus trees, hibiscus avenue, bonsai garden, and rose gardens are major highlights for plant lovers. As you walk through the garden's expansive pathways, you'll come across the Lal Bagh Rock, which is one of the oldest rock formations on Earth, dating back over 3 billion years. This massive rock outcrop, complete with an observation point, offers a panoramic view of the lush greenery surrounding it, making it a favorite spot for photographers and early morning joggers. At the center of Lal Bagh lies its most famous structure, the Glass House. Inspired by the Crystal Palace in London, it was built in 1889 and serves as the centerpiece for the biannual flower shows that are thousands of visitors from across India and abroad. Now let's talk about the Lal Bagh Flower Show, one of the garden's biggest attractions. Held twice a year during Republic Day January and Independence Day August, the show transforms the glass house and its surroundings into a wonderland of color, creativity, and floral artistry. Organized by the Department of Horticulture and the Mysore Horticultural Society, the flower show is a tradition that dates back more than 100 years. Each edition has a unique theme, often inspired by historical events, personalities, or architectural marvels. Past shows have featured floral replicas of the Red Fort, Mysore Palace, Vidhan-e-Sudor, and even global icons like the Eiffel Tower crafted entirely using lakhs of fresh flowers, leaves, and organic materials. Visitors can marvel at over 500 varieties of flowers, including exotic orchids, chrysanthemums, marigolds, anthuriums, carnations, tulips, and roses arranged in intricate patterns and sculptures. Alongside displays, the show also features bonsai exhibitions, horticulture competitions, and stalls selling potted plants, seeds, gardening tools, and organic products. The flower show is not just about visuals, it's an experience. The air is filled with floral fragrances. Vibrant colors stretch as far as the eye can see, and the entire atmosphere buzzes with energy. Families, nature photographers, school children, and tourists all come together to admire nature's artistry at its best. Security and crowd management are meticulously planned, as the show often sees over 2 lakh visitors during the 10-day celebration. Entry fees are nominal, and concessions are offered to school children and senior citizens. In essence, Lal Bagh Botanical Garden is not just a place and trails, it's a living legacy. The flower show, in particular, is a celebration of biodiversity, culture, and creativity, blending Karnataka's horticultural heritage with modern-day spectacle. So whether you're a botany enthusiast, a weekend stroller, a family on a picnic, or simply someone looking to breathe in a bit of fresh and inspiration, Lal Bagh awaits you, a green jewel in the crown of Bengaluru.